Hello and welcome to MarkSharks. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download MarkSharks on Android, smartphones, or tablets. To begin, open Google Play Store with your Gmail ID and search for MarkSharks. Select the required class and click on Install. Once the app is downloaded, click on Sign Up. You will need to enter some basic information, such as your name, mobile number with country code, and a password. Choose your school's name, class, and section from the drop-down box. After you sign up, log in with your Gmail ID and password. It's that simple. Now, we will show you some steps to follow for a revision using MarkSharks. Download the lesson you want to revise. For example, Section Science, Lesson Light, Fiber to Fabric, etc. Or Section Maths, Lesson Integers, Fractions and Decimals, etc. Click on Pretest and attempt to answer all the questions. Review your pretest scores and see where you have made mistakes. Revise the topics as suggested by the app or go through the entire chapter. Go to the test prep section. This will include revision tools, glossary, solved questions from NCERT, and exemplar. Now, go back to the same lesson and attempt the questions from post-test. Review your post-test score and reread the topics where you have made mistakes. Keep attempting the post-test and keep reading topics of the lesson till you attain 95% marks. For in-depth study, you can also visit the Wise Knows section within the app. For any help or queries, you may contact the MarkSharks team directly on our customer care number 011 408 44778 or email us at help@marksharks.com. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it'll help in downloading and using MarkSharks to its fullest potential. MarkSharks, learning by doing.